What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor, hit that subscribe button, press that notification bell so you can stay locked in and tapped in with all the updates that's going on in the cryptocurrency world. So today we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency market crashing right now. Bitcoin is crashing. Altcoins is crashing. My phone is ringing. Folks are saying, what's going on? I put my money in. I'm losing money right now. What the heck is going on? Is this the top? Is cryptocurrency over? Should I have taken profits? What the heck is going on? We're going to discuss that exactly today. But before we get into those topics, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin took a little bit of a dip, starting to recover right now. We're at 97,000. The fear and greed index is at 76. Folks always start to panic whenever Bitcoin starts to dip. Whenever the market starts to dip, the fear and greed index goes down. The Bitcoin dominance is starting to go up. We're back at 55.5% Bitcoin dominance. Just a few days ago, we were down in the 53 percentile range for the Bitcoin dominance. So that just means that the altcoins are getting beat up. They're getting beat up a lot more than Bitcoin is getting beat up. And that's typically how it works. Whenever we have a dip, altcoins dip a lot harder than Bitcoin. And whenever we have a pump and an explosion, typically the altcoins explode a lot more than Bitcoin. So it is what it is. Ethereum back down under $4,000. If you were buying it at $4,000, you're going to love it right now at $3,700. So that's the housekeeping of the day. Now let's go ahead and take a dive into what's going on with the cryptocurrency market crash. We're currently having a little bit of a correction. The overall market for the cryptocurrency is down 5%. We're at $3.49 trillion overall market cap, which is still strong. Nevertheless, it is a dip, is a correction. One of the things I want to bring to you guys is that dips and corrections happen along the bull market. This is normal. This is no big deal. This is nothing to panic about. But like I say, if you're navigating as a lone wolf in this bull market, if you're not connected with a cryptocurrency community, you're not in someone's Patreon, then you will think this right here will scare you out. This will shake you out. This will cause you to sell, and what they call it panic sell, because this may be your first time in the market. This may be your first cycle. So something like this, you're looking at your portfolio, you see you losing hundreds of dollars, you're losing thousands of dollars. This is normal. Unfortunately, cryptocurrency is a violent asset. It's a violent market. You have to have a strong stomach to handle the ups and downs that happens in cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, it's normal. Does it feel good? Never feels good when you open up your portfolio and you see that you're losing money. But this is what happens. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to get rich overnight. It's going to be some ups and downs, but you have to understand the cycles. You have to hang in there. You have to tough it out. Very important for you to get locked in a cryptocurrency community. So currently, right now, like I've been telling folks, this is a buying opportunity. You see a dip. We're in the bull market. We're still in quarter 4 of the Bitcoin halving year. These are buying opportunities. So when you see dips like this, Bitcoin did hit $100,000 for the first time on December 4th, 2024. That's a date that we're going to remember for the rest of our lives. If you take a look at the days before December 4th, we were going through a dip also. We tested $99,000. We got rejected before we tried to hit $100,000 initially. We dipped down to $94,000 a few days, December 4th, December 3rd. And look at on December 4th, we were hitting and breaking $100,000. That's why I say when these corrections, when we have these pullbacks, typically this is just power for us to launch further and make higher highs. Who knows? Currently, right now, we were over $100,000. We dipped down earlier today to $94,000. That was a bit of a correction coming from $104,000. But like I mentioned before, a few weeks ago, About a week ago, we were at $94,000. Then we got to $101,000. So I'm expecting this pullback to do a similar thing. We pull back to $95,000. We're probably getting ready to test another new all-time high, getting to $105,000, $106,000. So this is some of the things that you will learn along the way. The more you get experience in the Bitcoin cycle, then the more you will start to see the various shakeouts. You'll start to see the various corrections that happen in a Bitcoin bull market. It's not just a straight line up. And when Bitcoin hit $100,000, there was a lot of new money flowing into the market. There was a lot of new retailers flowing into the market. So this is just a little bit of a shakeout. They want to see what your conviction level is. Do you really believe in this, or are you just trying to get rich quick? So those who got in at $100,000 bought in at $102,000. They see it dip down to 94, 95,000. They selling. They like, man, I'm not in it to be losing my money. What the heck is this? I'm cool. Let me close my portfolio out. Let me take my loss, and they gone. And they gonna look back in a few days, and Bitcoin gonna be 105,000, 110,000. They gonna say, dang, well, I should have held my position. That's because they're navigating around in the bull market as a lone wolf. They really don't know no better. We were once newbies. We were once navigating around as a lone wolf ourselves, so we understand what it is that they're going through. Nevertheless, this is exactly what's happening. We know that we're in a bull market. Bitcoin will continue to have aggressive pumps. Most recently, we've seen Bitcoin have a $9,000, $10,000 pump in one day. That's just the realm that we're in right now. Bitcoin is having massive pumps. Quarter four, who knows what we'll see in the next few days. Will it go up 4,000? Will it go up $8,000? But we're right there, $97,000, $98,000. All it's going to take is a $3,000, $4,000 pump, and we're right back on that great trajectory to make new all-time highs. XRP, about a month ago, we saw XRP at 50 cents. XRP did a 400, 500X, got to $2.75. Folks are crying today because XRP had a little bit of a correction. It's down 20%. You mean you crying about 20% and you just had a 400 or 500% pump? Nah, you can't be crying about the 20% dips and you just multiply your money by 4 or 5 times. So, we have to really put things in perspective. We have to really, most importantly, trust the process. If you understand what's going on with this 4-year cycle, if you understand about quarter four, the year of the Bitcoin halving, you know what we're be expecting in 2025, then this right here will not freak you out. This will not cause you to panic sell. This will not cause you to get wrecked, because if you sell right here, this is a potential for you to get wreck your whole portfolio, everything that you've been working for all throughout the year, all the dollar cost averaging that we've been doing. We know quarter four will continue to be bullish. As always, we're going to continue to stick to the charts that we've been trusting, looking at the previous cycles. Like they're saying, we're going to trust the charts until the charts show us something different. Once it shows us something different, then we'll move and we'll march to a different tune. But until then, we're going to stick to the script, stick to the fundamentals, and most importantly, like I always stress, you want to make sure that you keep that patience in your back pocket. One of the most important tools that you can have when you're navigating in the bull market is patience. When flash crashes happen like this, you want to be able to go to your back pocket and pull out a little bit of patience. Be like, you know what? Let me go to my back pocket. I'm a little nervous right now. My portfolio's down $5,000. My portfolio is down $10,000. I need to go to my back pocket and pull out that patient card. Coach always saying, pull out that patience card when you're in the bull market so you can relax, so you can have a little bit of peace. Down $12,000 my portfolio, let me pull my patience card out because I know I need to relax. I know what's most important. I know what I need to do. So very important for us to continue to trust the process, continue to stick in there. We're expecting this thing to recover like it typically always does, but who knows? Bitcoin can go down 20, 30% corrections at any particular time. We're in a great space right now. We have a lot of positive catalysts that we have to hold on to. So nothing to be panic about, nothing to worry about. Altcoins always dip a lot harder than Bitcoin. But like I say, these are just buying opportunities for you to get some skin in the game in the various plays that you were bullish in last week. If you were bullish in XRP last week when it was $2.75, you should be bullish today when it's $2.20, and so forth and so on with all your other coins. If you were bullish a few days ago when Coinbase listed Turbo as the on its roadmap list, you should be bullish today, because once Coinbase lists these coins on their roadmap list, it's only a matter of time before they get listed as an official coin on the exchange. Once Coinbase officially lists Turbo Coin on their exchange, on their platform, man, you know what Turbo gonna do. Turbo is gonna skyrocket and go through the roof. We've seen it before, time and time and time again. So if you don't have a position in Turbo, what more perfect time for you to get some skin in the game in Turbo? Any of these other coins that you've been looking at that you may need to get a position in, this is an opportunity for you to get some skin in the game in those various plays if your portfolio is not already set. So opportunities are presenting themselves right now. It's up to you to decide what it is that you want to do. Are you nervous? Are you panicking? Are you selling right now? Or are you taking advantage of this as an opportunity for you to dollar cost average in, for you to get positions in some of the coins that's down 20%, 10%, whatever it is? So interesting day in the market. Like I say, it's not going to go up in a straight line. The market will have dips. So no big deal. We've seen this before in the previous cycle. Those of you, if this is your first cycle, you'll see it again in the next cycle, 2028, 2029. So like I say, come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great cryptocurrency community of folks who love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. We would love to hold your hand, guide you through, share the information that we have. You share with us whatever information it is that you have, and we come together as a doggone community. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you a little bit of encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.